Hey guys, so this is my YouTube channel now. And
Why are you so hype up that we're leaving?
that's
One's really Asian.
see that's Jersey. He's the one I'm traveling with. That's my brother. He's coming home when no one's here. And then over here, that's where I'm gonna be.
Interview, come on.
I don't have time. Oh. What's your name?
What's your name, Joel?
Joe Salonga.
Where are you going?
To sleep.
Where's your stop? Where's your stop?
Philippines.
Interview. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, me? With Tamara Ignacio
Okay. Where are you going?
at the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah. You wanna know my stop?
Yeah.
My layover is Taiwan.
Taiwan. Japan. Mine's Japan.
Joel's going back to Japan. So how's it gonna work? We're gonna go to Philippines, and then we rest there for like a day, and then we go to Japan, and then Korea, and then I'm gonna learn how to swim.
Go to Bohol.
Are you gonna teach me how to swim?
Girl, you're gonna drown either way.
Interview.
Here's the guy.
Interview.
Interview.
For what? What?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Jersey?
Last name?
Sorry, I don't why what?
Where are you going?
Where are we going?
Oh, is this like before?
Yeah, where are we going?
Oh, we're going to the Philippines, Korea, and Japan.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna drink. I looked up the age. It's 20 years old in Japan and Korea.
Oh, nice.
So
I wanna drink too.
No, you can't.
so I might get drunk, but yeah.
Yeah, nice. That's nice.
It's a first for everything.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, bye.
Okay, get the bad one.
No, she's in the shower. And that was day one of interview with
Joe Salonga.
Joel Salonga and Tamara Ignacio and
Pedro.
bye. Bye.
Babus.
Send me that clip.
Yeah. Babus.
Bye.
Babus. See you in the Philippines.
This is the basura, ha?
Okay, see you in the Philippines, okay?
Maglinis kayo ng bahay, ha?
Babus. What can you say? You're the one that we haven't interviewed yet.
What's your name?
Life is great.
What's your name? Keep us posted.
Peppa. What's your name? Peppa.
Peppa?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Where are we going? I know, dang well, she ain't talking.
Just kung masan na kayo ba, we'll be in contact. We'll call you. Okay?
I love you.
Hi, Jersey.
You guys leaving now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you in the Philippines, okay?
Will do.
Yeah, okay. Be safe kayo, ah.
See, always check the door, the windows,
Hello. Hi, you're in the vlog.
I seen the vlog.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I have it. Oh, nice.
You say hi to the vlog on YouTube. Hi. It's gonna be
Hi.
on YouTube. You're gonna watch it. It's gonna be on
I'm
YouTube.
gonna watch this, okay?
Okay. Dad.
Yeah.
We're in the vlog. We have to watch it. Yeah, we have to watch it.
Yep. EVA. Yeah, dito na kami sa airport.
8 o'clock. 40 minutes pa tayo magagan.
Aga naman natin.
Oo.
Meron pa tayong 2 hours na maghihintay, B. So matulog muna tayo.
Pwede.
Matulog muna tayo, hinaantok ako.
Mamaya tayo matulog sa biyahe. Mamaya tayo matulog kasi we have 14 hours flight. So we have a lot of time to sleep later.
Oh, sa bagay.
Do you guys know where you guys are sitting?
Yeah.
On the right hand side. 2A. Boarding
Okay guys, so nakasakay na kami at boarding pa rin yung ibang tao pero nauna kami. Taiwan na rin. Sa Taiwan na tayo. Officially, nasa Taiwan na kami at kakababa lang namin ng airplane. Ngayon, papunta kami sa arrivals at hanapin namin yung Klook dahil may mga binili kami sa Klook at money changer. Haba pala ng pila dito, Kala ko pagbaba ng aeroplano, diretso na.
Ay, ayaw niya tanggapin. Oh, kulit.
Baka barihan niya lang napakadami. Ha?
Ay, ayaw niya tanggapin, B. Kailangan ano lang.
What do you need?
Ayun lang, ina-accept niya, oh.
Purple. May mga purple na coins para sa bar.
Yellow.
This one?
Ah, there.
May ano pala to? May chip pala to. Kala ko i-insert siya na parang token yung pala chip. Busy pala tong MRT na to. Kanina walang tao, ngayon dami-dami ng tao. Yeah, 8:30. Ang taas, Taipei 101. Napakataas niya. Nasaan tayo, B? Taiwan! Nasa Taiwan kami ngayon.
We're gonna go find a milk tea.
Taas niya. So we made a mistake dito sa Taiwan.
But we made it.
But we made it. So, meron kaming 9 hours layover from San Francisco to Manila. So, may layover kaming 9 hours dito sa Taipei. Sa Taiwan. Eh, hindi naman namin akalain na na matatagal lang kami sa immigration. Like, ilang oras yun, B?
Almost, no immigration, yung baggage.
Yung immigration, yung baggage, yung
ticket,
pagkuha ng SIM card. So, basically, naubos lahat yung oras doon. At saka sa pagsakay sa transit. I mean, sa MRT, di ba? Yeah, so 9 hours, hindi enough talaga. Babalik na lang kami dito sa Taiwan next time. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat mismo ng Taipei 101. Yeah. Ang taas ng building na yan. Unfortunately, yan lang mapupuntahan namin ngayon.
Kesa wala.
Dahil may flight na kami in ilang oras?
In, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Eh, ang oras na ay 10 o'clock na yata.
So, dito yung milk tea. Milk tea
Yeah.
station
So,
here.
may flight kami ng 3 p.m. It's 10 a.m. now. Babalik pa kami doon. Kulang talaga yung oras. So, susulitin na lang. Maghahanap kami ng milk tea at saka kakainan. And,
Yun
na natin.
Doon ang mga kainan, no?
Taas niyan talaga. Di ba? Ay, nako. Very
Kaya,
nice.
picture tayo dyan.
Napaka-busy ng subway dito. Grabe. Pero maayos. Tsaka malinis. Nagugutom na ako, Bi. 10 pa ang tinatawag.
Braised beef shank. Oh, ayun oh.
10, 17.
How special.
11.
I want this. Ito gusto ko. Tsaka,
Ano to?
ano ba to? Cow fu. Beef
Spicy
fried.
beef. Yeah. I want the soup. Yung braised beef soup sana kaso walang ano. Alam mo ano yung best seller nila? Pabalik na kami sa airport. Hinahabol namin yung aming oras kasi nagti-TSA pa at pabalik pa lang kami. Ito yung last mission namin dito, yung maghanap ng boba, milk tea dito sa Taiwan. Ito yung last mission natin dito sa Taiwan.
Kasi baka
Maghanap ng boba.
Baka sumakit siya natin eh, yung naisip ko.
Is it good, B?
Pareho lang.
Pareho lang. Dun sana sa ano, sa original na ano, di ba?
Diba?
Same.
O sige. Ayun, yung baka at saka itlog.
Ilang order?
Ano, tatlo.
Dito tayo kakain, B?
Doon na tayo sa bahay kumain.
Bugaw.
Hello? Yeah. Pero sa palengke pwede. Oo.
E-bike. E-bike ride, B. Eh, ganun sa
Ano may
kabila.
salamin mo?
Ang luto, B? Adobo?
Oo.
Dilis. Gusto mong dilis, maglaing. Gusto mong laing, B? Ah. Lato.
Ano ba gusto mo ba?
Lato yan, di ba?
Sinuwes tayo ba tayo kamatis? Meron. May kamatis ba? Ay, wala.
Kamote.
Ay, yun ang gusto mo. Kamote? O, tatlo na rin po kamote, te.
Mainit pa, B?
Oo, kumulan.
So, yung bagong luto.
Oo, look. Oh my God. Look at the bags.
I know.
Mini bags.
Itong buchi. At na yung buchi ang masarap.
Buchi yan.
Oh, magkano po ito?
30.
Tsaka yun. Na, ikaw po
Kuha ka na, kuha ka na. Sige na, kunin mo na. Eh, kung ayaw mo yan, ito.
Sige po, sige.
Yan o, ito.
Hindi ako muna kasama.
Kulang pa.
Hindi, ano ba yung kasama
Ito yan.
Magkano,
Yan.
magkano ba ba?
O yan, tama na yan. Tama lang. Tsaka ito, yan yung apat, tama na. 25 isa.
Okay.
Yan.
ganito siya. Ginawa niya ganito. Sige, picture. Tapat mo yan. Tapat mo sa mukha niya yung picture. Tingnan mo ganito. That's a crazy thing. Ayun ako, tapat mo muna. Sige, ganyan. Sabi, on time. Tapos ngayon, na-delay.
We don't know yet.